Hey guys, Kyle here, back again with another video. Today's video, we're going to be going over a brand new gas tank manufactured by EMGO. So if you have a Triumph unit construction from 1963 to 1970 and you're looking for a new replacement gas tank, keep watching this video as we're going to open up this box, go through all the details, and hopefully answer all the questions that you have about the new EMGO Slimline gas tank. Without further ado, let's dive in. All right, so we got the gas tank in the box. Let's get it out. We're going to cut it open. All right, there she is. That is the new EMGO Slimline gas tank. Let's get it out the box so we can go over all the details so you guys know what to expect when you purchase one. Let's unwrap this. Bada boom, bada bing. We got the gas tank out of the box, out of the packaging. So we're gonna quickly go over some of the details. It's gonna be the same as an original tank, but we're gonna go over it just so you guys are aware. First off, the 2.5 inch gas cap bung, push and turn, 2.5 inch, that's standard. You have the center seam here, standard, which is going to be hidden by your gas tank trim. While we're down over here, we have the tab to mount the back of the gas tank. Then you have the center hole for your trim to hook onto. I have 2 gas tank holes, which are properly threaded for 2BA. The hole spacing is correct for 68 to 70 tank badges. I flip this over. Right here we got the tab for your trim. Underside of it, this bracket is not needed. It just comes with the tank. It's got the cutouts for the coil. You can use your 40mm or 48mm coils. So TR6, T120 works with both. That's your gas tank bung here. These are properly tapped to the right British petcock. That pretty much covers the features of this gas tank here. This gas tank is pretty durable. What I mean by that is the actual thickness of the material. It's a pretty heavy gas tank. It's made very, very well. The shape, the contour is what you would expect. This is made by EMGO. This is made in Taiwan. Don't be confused by some of the Indian gas tank. Not made in India, and this is a far better quality. I would definitely put this on par or maybe slightly better compared to an original tank. Overall, it's a great gas tank. These tanks do come pressure tested, but I do recommend before you paint this that you pressure test the tank. Let's go over some of the parts that we can put on this gas tank, and then we're actually going to fit this gas tank to our Sunset Tripper so you guys can get a better and visual idea of how it looks on a bike. So here are all the components that can be fitted to this EMGO gas tank. We have the gas tank trim, only fit the EMGO gas tanks. So we got a UK made gas cap, petcocks, the seals that go along with it. Use all the stock components that a stock gas tank would. It's going to use UNF thread, so keep that in mind. Gas tank badges, which are in here. We have the gas tank knee pads. Early or late, everything that you see right here will fit an EMGO gas tank or an original gas tank. I want people to understand that even though this is a new gas tank, everything is interchangeable with your original tank and your new tank except the gas tank trim. So now that we've covered all the key details about the EMGO Slimline gas tank, we're going to fit it to the Sunset Tripper to show you guys that everything lines up and everything fits, which is really important. Let's get this gas tank fitted to it. All right, so you guys know the history on the Sunset Tripper. That would be a great time to put the Slimline tank on it so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, got the gas tank here. Let's flip it over and start doing a dry assembly or dry build on the tank so we can get it on the bike. The threads right here are going to be UNF, which is American. We're going to open this up here. All right, there you go. Got the gas cap on. Okay. Check these out. They already come painted, so you guys don't have to paint them and waste any time doing that. Got the screws right here. Slide this gas tank trim on. Slides in the front. The hook will hook on the back of that. That's what it will look like with the gas tank trim. Let's put it on the Sunset Tripper and go from there. All right, there you go. All right, we're gonna put these on here. So let's take a look at the top of this gas tank. If you want to come over here, you can kind of get an idea of how wide or how slim the gas tank is. So it's got a really good look, and what's really nice about it, again, is that everything fits. You don't have to modify anything or fabricate everything. As far as applications, 1963 to 1970, 650 unit construction, so dry frames only. That's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Hope that you guys like it. I think it's a pretty I think is a pretty awesome looking tank. EMGO's done a really good job. I am going to have a full breakdown of all the parts that I've gone over. Also, I'm going to take you back to my website and there will be more information on it as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next time.